Hello students, how are you all? Are you fine? Okay, then see, homework completed your? If yes, then you just check it. Your answers are correct or wrong. See our pattern lesson. See, lesson number 10, patterns. PATTERNS. Okay, and see yesterday's homework. Again, I will show you how to solve this and you just check your answers. Then see here, first one. First upon the students tell me patterns means what? See, pattern is an arrangement of repeated colors, shapes, numbers, letters. Okay. Then see, already we learnt increasing number pattern, decreasing number pattern. See here, complete this increasing number pattern. Increasing means what, students? Ascending order, or ascending orders means what? Small to big. Okay, see here 1 is there and see the numbers are increasing. Okay, then see, first you observe, read these numbers, then you observe this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then tell me which number will come next. Yes, 5. Then 6. Then 7, 8, 9. See, they ask we have added dash each time to get the next number. See here we have added 1. See, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Understood? So you just write here number 1. We have added 1 each time to get the next number. Okay, then see the next. 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, see and see we have added dash each time to get the next number. See 3 after 6. Then see you just count fingers. 4, 5, 6. Then we have added 3 each time to get the next number. See 6 now, then 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. 9 is there. 10, 11, 12. 12 is there. 13, 14, 15. Right, 15. 16, 17, 18. 18. 19, 20, 21. 21. 22, 23, 24. Okay. 25, 26, 27. Now, you can use multiplication table also. See, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. Okay, understood? Now the next see, complete is decreasing number pattern. Decreasing means what? Descending order. And descending order means what? Big to small. Okay. Now see here, first you read this 45, 40, 35, 30. Okay. Then you just see here backward counting. Now 45, then 40. Then see the difference between the two numbers. I will show you how to see this difference, okay, between the two numbers. See 45, okay. See 45 minus 40. See 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 4, 0. Then see the difference 5. See 45 and 40 के बीच में कितना डिफरेंस है? 5 का डिफरेंस है. ओके, डिफरेंस कैसे देखना है? हम बिग नंबर्स में से स्मॉल नंबर को सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे और जो आंसर आएगा वो हमारा डिफरेंस रहेगा. देन सी 45 माइनस 40 5 आंसर. तो 5 इज अ डिफरेंस, ओके, बिटवीन दिस टू नंबर्स. नाउ सी 45 minus 40, 45 minus 5, 40. 40 minus 5, see 40 minus 5, see 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, see 35. Okay, 35 minus 5, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30. See, 30 is here. 30 minus 5, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. Then 25 minus 5, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. Okay. Then 20 minus 5, 15. 15 minus 5, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Okay, understood? So we have subtracted 5 each time to get the next number. Now next example see 90, 80, 70, 60. Okay, then see first what we will see here. First we will see the difference between the two numbers. See 90 is the bigger number. So you just write 90 minus 80. Okay. See 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 8, see 9 minus 8. 1 only. Then see the difference 10. Okay. Then see 90 minus 10, 80. 80 minus 10, 70. 70 minus 10, 60. 60 minus 10, see 60 minus 10, 50. 40, 30, 20, 10. Then we have subtracted 10 each time to get the next number. Okay students, now see the next. Fill in the missing number patterns. Now see here 4, 9, 14, 19, 24. See here increasing number pattern is here, increasing. See 4 and 9, see the difference between the 4 and 9. See 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. कितना difference है? 5 का difference है. See 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, 14 number is there. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 number is there. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 is there. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. See 29 is there. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Yes, 34. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 39. Okay, understood? You just check your answers, huh? Then see the next 41, 38, 35. See here backward counting is there, decreasing number pattern. See again you just see when we solve this decreasing number pattern, then see 41 minus 38. See 41 minus 38. Okay. See 1 minus 8, it is possible? No. Then take 1 from 4 and 1 as it is. You just write here. Then 11 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 3. And 4 gave here 1. So here 4 minus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 0. Then see the difference. Difference कितना है? 3 का difference है. Then see backward counting. See here 41 number is there now. 40, 39, 38. Yes, see 38 is there. 37, 36, 35 is there. 34, 33, 32. 32 is there. 31, 30, 29 is there. 28, 27, 26 is there. Okay, understood? Then next page. See the next page. 88, 108, 128, 148, 168, 188, 208. Then see here increasing number pattern is here. See numbers are increasing. Okay. Then same method you just see here. first we will see the difference between the two numbers. See 88 and 108. 108 is the bigger number. So you just write first 108 minus 88. Okay students, see 8 minus 8, 0. 0 minus 8, it is possible? No, then take 1 from 1 and this 0 you just write here. Then become 10. 10 minus 8, count is 9, 10, 2. And here one number gave 1, so 0. Then see the difference. Difference कितना है? 20. Okay, see 88 and 108. Between, see first you just see the difference between these two numbers. 20 का difference है 88 और 108 के बीच में. Now then what we will see? We will see last number is 208. Okay, then see 208 is the last number. So 208 plus 20. पहले हम डिफरेंस निकालने वक्त हम सब्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं और सम सॉल्व करते हैं, तो हम 20 उसमें ऐड करते जाएंगे. 208 plus 20, see 8 plus 0, 8 only. 0 plus 2, 2 only, and number is not there, so 2 as it is. Then the next number is 228. Again you just add 20 into this number. See 228 plus 20. 8 plus 0, 8. 2 plus 2, 4, or 2 as it is. Then next number 248. Again you just add 20 into 248. See 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 2, 6, 2 as it is. Then the next number is 268. Understood students? Okay, then see the next. 115, 109, 103, 97, 91, 85 and 79. See here numbers are decreasing. यहाँ पे numbers decrease हो रहे हैं, कम होते जा रहे हैं. Okay, then first you just see again the difference between the two numbers. See 115 is the bigger number. See 115 minus 109. See 5 minus 9, it is possible? No, then take 1 and 5 right there. Then which number become 15? Then 15 minus 9, yes, 6. Here 1 gave one number here, so here 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Then see the difference, 6. See 115 and 109 के बीच में 6 का डिफरेंस है, तो हम अभी माइनस करके जाएंगे. यहाँ पे हम when we solve the decreasing number pattern, that time you just subtract the number into this number. Okay, now see 109 minus 6. You just see here, I will show you. 109 minus 6. Okay, then see 9 minus 6, 3. 0 as it is, 1 as it is, because here numbers are not there. See the next number is 103. Then our answer is correct. 6 का difference है, ये हमारा आंसर correct है. Okay, then you just solve this. 79 is the last number. So see 79, shall I write here? Okay, 79 minus 6. See here last number है 79. See 79 minus 6. Okay, 9 minus 6, 3 and 7 as it is. See the next number is 73. Then 73 minus 6, because 6 का difference है, so we will subtract 6 only. See, 3 minus 6, it is not possible. So take 1 from 7 and 3 right here, then become 13. 13 minus 6, 7. And 7 gave here 1. So 7 minus 1, 6. 6 as it is. So 67. And then 67 minus 6. 7 minus 6, 1 and 6 as it is. Then last number is 61. Okay, understood this? Okay students, you just check your answers are correct or wrong. When we हम डिफरेंस कैसे निकालते हैं, हम बड़े नंबर्स में से छोटा नंबर सब्सट्रैक्ट करके जो आंसर आता है वो हमारा डिफरेंस रहता है. और जब हम इंक्रीजिंग नंबर पैटर्न सीखते हैं दैट टाइम हम वो डिफरेंस उसमें ऐड करते जाते हैं. और डिक्रीजिंग नंबर पैटर्न में हम वो डिफरेंस सब्सट्रैक्ट करते जाते हैं. ओके, you just keep in your mind this. Okay students, bye.